Professor in Chemical Engineering Department at KFUPM. And I'm honored to speak to you today as a founder and coordinator for the Process Safety Engineering Master's Program. Because I've received so many individual requests for information, I decided to record this webinar to provide a comprehensive look at this new project-based degree offered by our department. Our mission is clear. It is to cultivate process safety leaders in the kingdom or in the Middle East. Today's session is structured into 7 key parts. We will start with industrial needs in the kingdom, move through our benchmarking against top global programs, and then dive into the curriculum, course description, and frequently asked questions. Then why? Why Saudi Arabia? And now, why now? Saudi Arabia holds a leadership position in global oil and gas and petrochemical industries. Safe operation is a backbone of our economy and the safety of our workforce. To maintain a competitive edge, we must align with global industrial safety standards and codes. This program is specifically designed for workforce development, creating skilled professionals to sustain industrial growth while avoiding the economic impact from the industrial accident. Furthermore, when we adopt advanced technologies, we face new complexities. Process safety plays a critical role in our environmental and societal responsibility. By encouraging research and innovation in safety technologies, we not only enhance industrial standards, but also build public confidence in our industrial operation and leaderships. The market data support the needs. Let's look at the snapshot from LinkedIn. We compare the general chemical job posting against safety general chemical job posting against safety posting in Saudi Arabia. We might have some job above process safety, process industry sector, but the result shows that while there were 520 leaders for chemical roles, there were 661 for safety-related positions. This trend highlights a robust emphasis on process safety within the current job market and clear opportunity for growth for specialized professionals. We also conducted a survey with 24 industrial respondents for major organizations like Saudi Arabia Aramco, SABIC, SITCAM, and Worley. When asked if the master's degree in process safety added it as a value to the kingdom market, 87.5% answered yes. Remarkably, 100% of respondents from the oil and gas and petrochemical sectors received these degrees as highly valuable for meeting the current industry requirement. So we got the good motivation and the good feedback from them. As we dive into the Global Process Safety Master Program, it is crucial to understand the key areas of process safety that form the foundation of our curriculums. These 3 areas is from my own personal experience and knowledge. So if you don't agree with it, please understand. Yes. Area 1 is loss prevention control. Here, we focus on preventing accidents and mitigating their impacts. This includes occupational safety measures and fire and explosion prevention. Moving to the area 2, hazard identification and risk analysis, we shift our attention to identifying potential hazards and risks before they cause problems such as fire and explosion or toxicity incident. Lastly, Area 3 covers risk-based decision making. Here we take a strategic approach using all the information at hand, including data from the other area, to make well-informed choices. So rather than just focusing on safety perspective, we can integrate this aspect with other area perspectives to get the optimal solutions. In addition, we added one more area, advanced data application. In our modern industrial world, especially in the era of Industrial 4.0, yes, using data effectively is a key to making good decisions and facing unusual situations. So even today, I think everyone who watching this video might use your LLM models for your workplace. Yes. We benchmark our curriculum against global leaders such as University of Sheffield, Texas A&M, and the National University of Singapore. We ensure that our students receive foundational knowledge comparable to those world-class institutions, covering everything from the fire protection to human factors. Looking at more advanced area like quantitative risk analysis, QRA, and functional safety, our key takeaway was that the curriculum must be structured sequentially. Yeah, area 1, 2, and 3. So area 1 leading into area 2, then area 3, all integrated with data application. It is also important. This ensures our graduates have a practical, proactive knowledge. Our primary objective is to cultivate leaders who will elevate safety, Saudi Arabia's industrial safety standards. Our graduates will master core competencies, enhance analytic compatibility using safety performance data, and execute innovative approaches to QRA and risk-based decision making. Here is the high-level overview of our 4-semester journey 2-year case. You can see how area 1, 2, and 3 subjects are distributed alongside with the integration of data and the project that ties everything together. Due to some administrative issues, we switched to course occupational safety and human factor course between semester 1 and 3. So this is a current curriculum structure. To look at the numbers, the program consists of 30 total credit hours. This includes upgraded existing courses like CHE 581, but most of them are brand new opening course, such as CHE 583 Process Hazard Analysis and CHE 584 Fire and Toxicity, and 586 Active Safeguard Design. So we can confidently say that we developed courses only for this program. In the first semester, CHE 581 provides the foundational understanding of toxicology, dispersion modeling, and safety management systems. We also covered human factor and safety psychology through ISE 581 course, focusing on work system design and the human role in accident. The second semester gets very practical. CSE 583 focuses on the evaluation and revalidation of process hazard analysis and incident investigation. And CHE 584 Fire and Toxic Risk course includes a software lab sessions where you will get hands-on experience with tools like Gaxcon effects and risk curves or DMB fast and safety. In the third semester, we dive into quantitative risk analysis using Bayesian statistics to develop risk-based strategies. We also cover occupational safety engineering, CHE 582, which addresses PSM system, handling hazardous material, and crisis management. Finally, the fourth semester covers active safeguard design, where you will use tools like a flare net for flare and blowdown design. Also, we conclude with the course Design, Making, and Safety Economics, teaching you to use techniques like cost-benefit analysis to implement real-world safety improvement. Also, for the last, with these courses, students supposed to conduct the research for the last 2 semesters with your advisors. To answer some common questions, first, duration. You can attempt it 1-year option, but the curriculum is very rigorous. I highly recommend just 2-year options, especially if you are working at your company, to ensure you master the contents. Also, so otherwise you have to take 12 credit for the first 2 semesters and 15 credit for the last 2 semesters, including the research. So in my personal perspective, almost impossible to have 1-year option if you are not a full-time student. The second question, hybrid. No, the program is currently exclusively in person. Third question, software. Yes, you will gain hands-on experiences with industrial tools like Gaxcon, effects, and risk curve. This program is invaluable because it is industrial-driven, integrating AI and some other sector technologies, and provides a practical depth needed to lead globally. Our graduate will pave the way for innovative safety practice globally. Sorry. Thank you for your time today. If you have any further questions, please reach out to me or our department at KFUPM. I look forward to welcoming you to the Process Safety Engineering family. Thank you.